back everyone to another episode of T-Shirt Cooking. For today's episode, I will show you another chicken breast recipe. This is another one of those recipes where I've tried and tested many different formulas, many different quantities. This is what I've come up with. Now, to spare you some time for the video, what I've done is I've already put the chicken to marinate. So we have the chicken in here already in the bowl with the marinade, and I'll just briefly go over all the seasonings that went in. Now, the main component that we're using is just plain yogurt. So you don't have to get vanilla, coffee flavor, anything like that. It's just plain yogurt. It's not even Greek yogurt. I've used Greek yogurt and I've used not Greek yogurt. It seems to cook the same. I don't know what the big deal is. It's, $6, $7 difference. It cooks the same, so that's perfectly fine. We have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric. We have coriander, we have cumin, we have chili flakes, we have cinnamon. Anyways, this might seem complicated and it might seem like a big mix, but I promise you it comes out and it makes some good chicken. This is what it looks like here in the bowl. It's been marinating for a few hours right now, and we're going to be pan frying it. You could also cook it in the oven. Now I'll pan fry it just so you could see what it looks like while it's cooking. We'll be switching the camera and then we'll bring the camera back here and we'll do a review. We are now back. As you saw, we cooked it on the pan. We made a bunch of smoke, made a bunch of smell. That's why for this video only, if you go back, you'll see I didn't do this in any of my other videos, but for this video, we have a candle that's running right now, so we don't smell up the entire place. And we also have the window opened because it doesn't smell very nice in here right now. So to avoid having this built up stench, that's what we do. We also have the patio door open over there, and we're likely going to pay more in utility fees because we're in the dead of winter. But these are the sacrifices we make for T-Shirt Cooking for the amazing subscribers. Now, this is the chicken that we have. This was 2 chicken breasts. I've cut it straight down the middle. I took out all the nasty parts, including that one finicky nerve that I pulled out on each chicken breast. And you can make wraps with this. You can make sandwiches with this. You can do as you wish. I'm just going to take a piece. I'll cut a little bit of it just to show you what it looks like inside, just to show you what it looks like up close. And this is the chicken. It is a bit of a yellowish color, but I believe that's maybe the turmeric. Maybe it's the turmeric that smells like this. I don't know. But whatever it is, we have the candle running, and we'll now take a bite and we'll see if it's as good as it has been in the past. As I mentioned earlier, I've been tweaking this recipe. Right now, I think this one's fine. With the amount of chili flakes that I put, you could put more, you could put less. That depends on your level of spice. There's also other spices that you could add to this, that you could take out. This is just me with my spice rack, and I'm just trying to put things together, trying to combine things. Remember, all I did was I took the chicken breast, I put it in that bowl, I took the yogurt, I put it in the bowl, and then I put the amount of each seasoning in that bowl, and I just twirled it around really fast with a baking spoon, and that's what I got. I let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours. We then cooked it on the pan. You could cook it in the oven. You could even deep fry it. Never tried that. That makes too much of a mess. Keep in mind, when you're making this chicken, this is something important to notice. Not only does it smell, but it also stains stuff. So it could stain your counter, it could stain cloths, it could stain your clothing. So you need to be careful when you're working with it. If you decide to cook with long nails, I know some of you have long nails, you decide to cook, be careful. They will turn yellowish and it's just gonna not look good. It's gonna look nasty. We don't do that here in T-Shirt Cooking Kitchen. We don't do any of that nasty stuff. We don't chew with our mouth open. We don't not floss our teeth, none of that. So this is the chicken breast recipe. Thank you guys for watching another video. There's gonna be more videos to come. I also want to mention that this is a cherry blossom pound cake candle. Right now, at the time of this video coming out, I may or may not be in Asia looking at cherry blossom trees blooming. We don't know. We'll see. This is probably only coming out in April. We'll see how I get with the editing. Thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully you decide to send me your recipes so I have more recipes to make.